I said, hey yo, yeah, this ain't YouTube, this is ShoeTube. What's poppin' with you, ShoeTube? This is ShoeTuber's Kicks, and today I'm coming at y'all with an unboxing. Got the box right here. I already opened it. I thought it was another package that I was expecting, but I guess that means another video coming soon. But yeah, package from Nike. You see the lettering. As far as the box goes, you know, they need to do this box more. This is the type of box that a lot of the European stores use, like BSTN and Offspring and all those stores. You got the pull tab right here. You just open it up. You see this little white strip is if you want to close it back up to ship your products out. Because we all know how Nike's tape is. Remember they used to have the big swoosh on the side of the box, and the tape is still saying just do it. And recent pickup, you know, came out day before Valentine's Day. It's the Air Force One. I don't even know if they had a name for it. Maybe just been Valentine's Day 2021. You see, size tag, size 12. If you getting Air Force Ones, I recommend you get at least a half size down. I myself get a whole size down, but you know, if you don't own any Air Force Ones, you don't know how sizing goes. Yes, you should go a half size to a size down. Let me go ahead and open this package up. Oh, what is that I'm seeing? Is that a lace? No, the paper just ripped. Oh, look at the paper. Look at the paper, ShoeTube, all over it. I don't know if you can see it. You gotta get up close. All over it says Forever Love. We're gonna open these together so y'all can get my reaction. As I'm giving y'all. Oh, so you got more paper on the inside. And it's the regular AF1 paper right here. Ooh, I can see it through the camera. Oh, man. Oh, man. Alright, let's get this thumbnail. Actually, let me get a little bit closer. Get the detail in this. Alright. First impressions. It's a good leather. It's a good leather on the red swoosh. Nike took their time with this. Let me give y'all up close. Give y'all your up close. And you see the hearts on the side of the shoe, as well as on the toe box. Not the regular circles like the rest of the Air Force Ones. Got the hearts on the medial side too. And even the Nike Air. Even the Nike Air got the heart above the eye. Oh, and on the insole, you can see it. Oh, this focus coming in clutch. Oh man, this is a beautiful shoe. It's a beautiful shoe, ShoeTube. Pink and white upper, red swoosh, white midsole. It's a super light pink outsole. The color, the pink kind of matches with the upper. It still has a slight difference in it. Here's the other one. So it comes with white laces already in it, with the red laces, extra set of red laces. I might put one in, get some B-roll. If I don't, put it down in the comments. You need to do a better job. It's YouTube. My bad, I'm just taking it all in. Nah, the shoe, it's a beautiful shoe. It's a beautiful shoe. And on the tongue, got the little patch that you can pull up. Under it says True Love since '82. That's the right shoe. Left shoe says something else. We're going to see what that one says. AF1 Forever. I don't know if it's picking it up. But yeah, it says AF1 Forever in white letters. Nah, it's YouTube. This is a it's Valentine's Day. Give these babies a kiss. But yeah, I'm going to try to put the red laces in one of them, see if we can get some B-roll. If I don't, like I said, if I don't put the B-roll in here, comment that I need to do a better job, YouTube. But at the same time, bear with me. This is one of my first videos. I did record one earlier. I don't know which one is going to go out first. So just bear with me. But yeah, with that being said, like I said, it is my first couple videos, so just bear with me. We want to get better. But yeah, here goes the 2021 Valentine's Day Air Force Ones. Actually, I think I want to get another. I think I want to get a different photo. That should be good, or we'll see. I don't know if that one got me or not. But yeah, beautiful shoe. Beautiful shoe, beautiful shoe. In the box. Actually, let me go back and get the box. I'm over here throwing boxes like I'm crazy. Like I don't keep my boxes. It's not your typical Air Force One box. You know, the Air Forces usually come in the gray box or the black box if it's special edition. Nah, this one is a white one with the red letters. Got the heart on this one too. The red tag. Bottom. The red letters as well. And it's a pull-out box. Got your modern QC sticker. If you thought this was for play, this ain't for no play. Matter of fact, let's try another photo. That might be the one, YouTube. That might be the picture right there. But yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and end this video off with, if you don't own this shoe, I do see, and this is for the resellers or whatever the case may be, or you just like to collect sneakers. I myself am a sneaker collector, but I do wear all my shoes. I do see within the next 10 years, if you can hold on to these will go up. I know the market for Air Forces isn't, known like that, but for the people who are into them, I can tell you, value on special edition Air Forces does go up. I'm not saying it's going to shoot up, like Jordan 1s or whatever the case may be, but the value does go up on Air Forces. If you get on StockX or GOAT, or even just trying to search through eBay or wherever you're finding them, if you go back to the premium era, the best era for the Air Force Ones is the premium era. If you go back to the premium era, from 03 to '07, like very beginning of '07, with the best year being 2006. Y'all heard it here first. And if you go back and look at those shoes, the price has gone up on those, and those are some highly coveted Air Force Ones. And I do expect these to be that in the future as well. Y'all, another up close. I almost dropped them. Like I said, the red leather on them is buttery. Shout out Mike Rich, man. The suede on them, buttery. Yeah, no. Nike took their time with this one, shoe tube. Nike took their time with this one. This is a beautiful shoe right here. Most definitely a beautiful shoe. Show y'all the inside again. See if it'll focus. There we go. But yeah, that pretty much ends this video. Like I said, I do have another video coming real soon. I did record one earlier. I don't know which one's going to go up first. I don't know which one I'm going to finish editing first. But I am actively working for you guys. So stay tuned for the next video. We out.